breakfast time and we're gonna go see the birds. We have a private tour of the bird.
This breakfast is insane. It's one of the best breakfasts we've had in South America. This place is called Parque Das Aves.
7:30 in the morning and we're doing a backstage bird tour because Quinn's obsessed with toucans.
I'm not obsessed. I've never seen a toucan in my life. I really want to see one.
Look at flamingos.
So we're gonna see parrots, flamingos, some kind of weird turkey thing, another weird turkey thing, some other things, a toucan. I don't know. That's kind of like a different flamingo, different kind. I don't know what that is. Oh my God, there's crocodiles, Megan. There's crocodiles. Please. Are you ready? Yeah. You ready to feed a toucan? Can I throw it way up there to those ones?
Yes.
Are they gonna watch?
Yay! But if you want to, you can get closer of it.
Oh, come on.
Oh, you got it. Hold it tight.
Can you film?
You can go with her.
Watch your feet there, Quinn. Don't step around.
Oh, yeah.
There is one between your feet. So now that it's over, you can turn the spoon like this, yes, and leave it with.
Some big ones behind you too. Goodbye. This is my friend Sinji from Das. How do I say this? Parque Das Aves.
Yes, perfect.
Oh, calm down. Calm down.
He has pokey claws.
If you ever come to Iguazu Falls, make sure you come and check out Parque Das Aves and do the back tour experience. It's amazing. You get to interact with the animals much more closely, feed them, you get to hold caterpillars, all kinds of interesting things. We recommend it, and it's a lot of fun.